Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hey everyone, and welcome. My name is Connor Sandstrom, and I am a Revenue Cloud consultant here at Solve.cloud. And today we are going to continue to dive into how you can automate your business using Salesforce Revenue Cloud. Today we are going to discuss how we can split our quotes into multiple orders in Salesforce Revenue Cloud. Let's dive in. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to jump into Setup, and we are going to search for Revenue Settings. Once we click Revenue Settings, we're going to scroll down a little bit and we'll see Advanced Order Creation from Quote. We're going to want to make sure that that is enabled, and then once that's enabled, we'll search for flows in the quick find box. Next, we will scroll down, and here we'll see we have a Create Orders from Quote. We'll see that this one is marked as a template. So what we would do is we would open this, and then we would click Save as a New Flow. Once we do that, and that's what I've done here for Create Orders, 2 is we will save it as a new flow, and then I've activated it. Then we will grab the API name of our flow, and we will come back to our revenue settings. Again, we'll scroll down and we'll see right under the box that we previously checked, we are going to put the API name of that screen flow that was made from that template. I didn't make any changes to that flow, I just saved it as a new flow and activated it. Next, what we will do is we will jump over to a quote and we'll take a look at what this looks like. Okay, so the next thing we're going to look at is a test quote. I've put together a test quote that has a series of different products. We'll see that some of these products are one-time, some are evergreen, and some have an end date that is specified at different intervals. Next, what we'll look at is the Create Order button. So I'm going to go ahead and click Create Order. You'll see the different options that are now present from our updated screen flow. We'll see that we can create from a single order, or create a single order. We could create order by groups, so if we're using groups on our quote lines, or we can create using an order by field. This provides a list of options. We can select the end date here for our use case. I'm going to go ahead and click Finish. Orders were created successfully, so we're going to view the new orders, and we will take a look at these. So first, let's look at 26. We'll see our AI specialist certification. We'll see this is annual. And if we go back over here, we'll see our different one-time products and our evergreen. And we can see our monthly are the one that was just a single month out. So it's that easy, just a few different clicks, a few different things that you can set up and then split your orders out. A common use case we see is end date based on different frequencies, but you can use groups to utilize that functionality as well. Thank you for taking time to watch this video to learn how you can help automate your business using Salesforce Revenue Cloud, and especially using the splitting order functionality that will allow you to split your quotes into multiple orders to better fit your use case as a business. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at Solve.cloud and see how we can help automate your business. Have a great day.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.